Hello, trading is closed on March 3rd, 2020. We'll go over our calls. Look for the pattern with the early low. This is it. Times are pretty good. Tomorrow has the early high. Well, these are pretty wild times. Here's what we said. Wall into the close frequently followed by gapping down, after which a rally overtakes the high, finds resistance. We actually gapped up, but if you start counting overnight action, we actually were down till just a few minutes before the open. So if you count that, which I'm not, but if you count it, we were down, traded promptly over the high, and then dropped. We have these wild price swings. I'm not going to claim to be as accurate as I'd like to be when that happens. Now, we did have some targets. This we mentioned last week. These should be seen, or could be seen. This one gets crossed off the list, and this one came within 7 cents. 7 cents is enough to satisfy the target, so it's now optional. It almost always will print, but it no longer has to. We just have one higher target. I don't think it'll print. MEJT leaves a failed target at major changes in trend, and that's what I'm calling this. We have a new target from today's patterns. Unless we gap down smartly, it's my call for tomorrow. Right at the high, we got a page 120 sell signal. Doesn't require us to drop immediately. Doesn't require us to drop this much. But anybody familiar with the signal wouldn't have been trapped into going long on this rally. We got a sell signal in the afternoon. That clearly worked. And the pattern gives us this target. Says this whole drop is not for keeps. It has until early Thursday to print in this preferred time frame. Well, here's where I think we are. Here's the first leg. At some point, this is going to stop rallying. We're going to have another gruesome leg down. I don't think we'll go much beyond 31.88. It's possible this was it. Not sure. Here's the diamond on still. She set the height at 38.2%. And there's your target, so there is some justification for it. But I think this low should last for more than a few days. We have a bar completely under the band, a bar completely over the band. That's usually a sign the reversal is confirmed, and typically on the closing basis, the lower band holds and we rally. But the lower band, I mean, it's 29.14 as I'm talking. You can't, that's really too much to count on it to save you if you decide to go long here. Wednesday's pattern has the early high. Typically it's a rally day with a high in the final hour. Failure is a straight line drop. Assuming we don't gap down smartly, the MEJT target, much higher low, I think it was like 31.07, should print, believe it or not. Much lower prices lie ahead of us. If we don't get this rally tomorrow, particularly if we gap under these lows and take out these lows, we could see those lower prices faster than seems possible. That's not a prediction that that'll happen, because this all-day drop couldn't take any of these lows, and the fact that we're negative now in futures doesn't mean anything. It's where we open that counts. I'm hoping these lows will hold. I'm hoping to see this, but right now I'm just looking for places to sell, not looking for places to buy, unless it's for a very short-term trade, and that's today's call.